Zhengzhou Brother Furnace Company Limited joined Alibaba in 2016, is a professional manufacturer engaged in the research, development, production, sale, and service of muffle furnace, tube furnace, vacuum furnace, dental furnace, and heating elements. We are located in Zhengzhou City with convenient transportation access. We offer a complete line of high-temperature processing technologies in many styles and configurations. From muffle furnaces, rotary tube furnaces, and mini laboratory furnaces to vacuum furnaces, car bottom furnace, and large-scale production ceramic kilns, dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. In recent years, our company has introduced a series of advanced equipment, including fiber laser cutting machine. In addition, we have obtained CE certificate, selling well in all cities and provinces around China. Our furnaces and heaters are also exported to clients in Europe, Middle East, Australia, South America, Southeast Asia, Africa, etc. Satisfied customers in over 30 countries offer proof of our commitment to excellent design, strict quality, and cost-effectiveness. Get high reputation from the customer in domestic and abroad. We own the professional R&D team and also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Our customized solutions include products designed will meet your specific requirements. Excellent uniformity, good reliability, strict quality, and low cost. Brother Furnace, you're worth it.